Dr. Girl, the founder of Uganda Skateboard Society, and I'm a skater as well. I've been skateboarding since 2005 after being inspired by a Canadian friend who used to live in Uganda, and his name was Brian Lai. Well, Brian Lai introduced to me and so many other homies skateboarding, and actually he's the guy who taught us how to skate. In 2011, I founded Uganda Skateboard Society and made it as a platform to support, promote, and grow skateboarding in Uganda. In 2005, some friends and I were introduced into skateboarding, and Brian Lai taught us all the basics. In 2011, I came up with an idea of supporting and growing skateboarding in my country, because by that time, we were a few people who were skating. Because we were a few people who were doing skateboarding by then, I founded Uganda Skateboard Society to make skateboarding more accessible for the youth, the kids, and the whole entire community. We were passionate about skateboarding, but we didn't have a skate park. Jean Claude Giroud helped us raise funds through a charity event in Toulouse, and the school donated this land for the skate park. The skate park has had a big impact on the community, especially giving the youth a positive outlet. They keep skating instead of being part of crime in the community. The community's mindset towards skateboarding has also shifted through watching the local kids flying out of the country just to go and represent Uganda in the Olympics qualifiers, showing what's possible through skateboarding. After reaching out to so many skate park construction volunteers, we realized that none of them could make it to Uganda to come and support us with the skate park construction. Now what we did, we went online and we watched skate park construction videos, and that's how we taught ourselves how to build skate parks, how to build transitions, how to build the banks. So in the next 1 week, we came as a passionate collective of locals, and we constructed our first ever skate park. Everything, as you can see, the skate park design is from the locals. Some of the challenges we've been facing in the skateboarding scene, we don't have skate shops out here, and we've been relying on donations for that long. We've been using social media, especially Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. We've been using social media to create that awareness to the world out there, to show them that there is skateboarding in Africa, there's skateboarding in Uganda, and it is alive. So people have been getting interest, and people have been donating skate materials. So that's how we have been surviving when it comes to skate materials. So when you talk about future plans, we're having lots of plans in the store. And yeah, more skate parks to be built in Uganda so that we keep pushing the movement and keep spreading the skateboarding love. In the future, we're gonna be producing a lot of professional skateboarders. Like my guy right here, Harvey. How old are you, Harvey? Harvey is 4 years and he has been feeling it. You've been seeing his videos trending on social media, trending on Instagram. So most probably we're gonna be having a lot of pro skateboarders. Harvey is right here. He's just 4 years. So yeah, and hopefully I think more companies, more skate brands will pick interest to come and start supporting the African skateboarding. Anyone out there would like to start such a movement in your country or even in your community, it's not too late. Get your homies. Yeah, it always starts with your homies. Start doing your thing, record, and always post it on social media for the world to see what you guys are doing out there. Because anytime, anyone can come out and start supporting your thing. You can support our skate community through donating skate materials. We don't care whether they're used or new. You can also go visit our website, www.UgandaSkateboardSociety.org, and make a donation. With your donation, it helps us to renovate our skate park, get safety gears for the skaters. I would like to thank everyone who has been supporting our skate movement. For those who have been donating on our fundraisers, for those who have been donating skate materials, thank you so much. And to everyone out there who haven't been following us, we are Uganda Skateboard Society on Instagram, Facebook, we're on Threads, TikTok, and Twitter. Thank you.